Hello everybody, welcome to the Roseraie. As you can see, summer is lovely and it's here and it's hot and it's beautiful. Yeah, what do we do in summer? We have barbecues, lots of lovely barbecues with lots of friends and people, and yeah, we love it. So we have one big problem, and that problem is that the barbecue that we've got is knackered. So this is the old barbecue. It's rusty, it's falling apart, the lid doesn't open, it's made out of really thin mild steel, and yeah, it's just not fit for purpose. So what we're going to do is we're going to throw that away and make a new one. So I'm just going to walk around to the front of the house where I've got all of the bits and pieces that I'm going to use with my friend Jim to build the new barbecue. Here it is, that bad boy there. That was our old chateau. I've taken all the insulation off and we're left with this cast tube. I've already marked up the lines for the door. Got a nice big air hole there, which I want to put a swivel disc on to control airflow. We got this lovely looking serpent's head, which I'm going to mount as a chimney. Don't know where yet, but either on the end or like this, or I don't know. But I think that'll be quite cool with smoke coming out the mouth. Over here we've got two, I think this was off of an old basketball net, but it's these are what we're going to use as legs. And in the box here is got some flat plates. Yeah, this is what we're going to use for cooking eggs and bacon and putting a wok on maybe. That'll be cool. And I've also got other like nuts and bolts and hinges and stuff like that, bits of brackets and things that we might need to weld up. So before I forget, if you haven't subscribed or liked the video, please do subscribe. It makes a massive difference, and give us a thumbs up, because you know we don't get many. So, and yeah, let's get on with it. Wow, that's cool. Okay, so it's another day here working on the barbecue. Got Ben coming round in a bit, and he's going to do some cutting and welding with me. I'll show you what we've got so far. So this is the framework basically, and the barbecue's on there. Sorting out some struts for the hot plates. Got the shelf over there, which made so you can remove it. Hopefully it doesn't rain. Got all the bits and pieces lying around. So let's get cracking with this.